Remember when you could just type and magically filter data in Power BI? Well, things have changed. Searchable slicers were a fan favorite, but they got tweaked. Why? Probably to keep us on our toes. But don't worry, I'll guide you through what happened and how to adapt. Let's unravel the mystery together. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Slicers in Power BI are like your personal data assistants. They help you filter and focus on what's important. Think of them as those menu boards at fast food restaurants. Pick what you want, leave out what you don't. A simple, right? And trust me, once you start using them effectively, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Imagine scrolling through a list of thousands of values, pure frustration, right? That's where searchable slicers shine. They cut down your search time and make filtering a breeze. It's like having a GPS for your data instead of wandering aimlessly in a maze. Let's talk about why they matter and why losing them feels like misplacing your car keys. Ever tried searching for something in a slicer and felt like an archaeologist on an impossible dig? Well, you're not alone. The community is buzzing with frustration over missing search options. Many have suggested workarounds, but let's be honest, most feel like duct taping a leaky boat. The discussions online highlight the biggest headaches, and there's no doubt an improved search experience is desperately needed. When life gives you lemons, make a workaround. Since slicers lack a built-in search, users have become quite inventive. Filters serve as a decent alternative. Custom slicers using calculated columns can do the trick, and bookmarks provide a quick navigation method. Some folks even turn to external tools, because why settle for frustration when you can get creative? Sometimes, if a feature doesn't exist, you just have to build it yourself. Power BI lets you add a search box visual, making life easier. A strategically placed search box enhances usability, especially when dealing with overwhelming amounts of data. Think of it as giving your users an escape hatch from endless scrolling. Microsoft hears us. They've acknowledged the frustrations, and there's talk of improvements coming soon. In the meantime, they've suggested alternatives, but let's be real. We're all waiting for the magic button that makes searching in slicers effortless. Fingers crossed for a future update that finally does the trick. Good news, Microsoft has hinted at adding a search function. Bad news, we still don't know when it's happening. When it does arrive, slicers will be far more user-friendly, making filtering a breeze. Until then, we wait, refresh release notes, and hope that our feedback is finally turning into action. Slicers are fantastic when used wisely, but they can turn into a mess if overdone. Keeping labels clear, limiting slicers to avoid clutter, and using hierarchical filtering can help keep things smooth. The goal: to make your reports more useful, not a scavenger hunt. Wrapping it up, slicer search remains a challenge, but workarounds do exist. Until Microsoft rolls out a fix, we make do with best practices and creative solutions. Here's hoping they surprise us with a seamless search update soon. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.